So guys, this is Dave, the Kuripot Traveler. Let's live. Wait lang. Last night na namin ngayon, so nakakasenti. Yung Gangnong guys, they're very much famous even before, even in the old time, as a tea ceremony site. Kasi nga, ang ganda ng tubig dito, very clean. Yung mga mayayaman, nobility, they come here for tea ceremonies. We have to make ourselves dignified. So this is a very formal ceremony. We provide great hospitality sa ating guest. This is our last activity, guys. Last activity in Gangnong. We still have tomorrow. This looks like a scene from a K-drama. Alright guys, our next stop is Solyang Arboretum. Oh, this is for free! Oh! Wow! So this is open for everyone guys. Tong Solyang Arboretum. Mag-tea ceremony din tayo guys. So this is owned by Gangnong, so it's free. Kim Menche Sonsengnim. Kim Menche Sonsengnim. Beautiful. Ay, so pretty. Ang ganda guys, oh. Autumn leaves and flowers. Arboretum is like a big garden storing so many plants, flowers, etc. 호랑이나비. 호랑나비. Tiger butterfly.
So we call 호랑나비, like a tiger butterfly.
Bisan 호랑이. Similar. Bisan 호랑이. Oh. Yeah. Tiger butterfly. The patterns. Oh. First class water, guys.
Not for eating, right?
Oh, there's lobster.
The first class water, you can keep the lobster. It's from mountain area. But when you get off the car, I can feel it right away. The air is really clean and fresh, right?
That's why soju is made here. Soju. Gangnong soju. Yeah. Mul.
That's correct.
Oh, yeah. Gusto din. Oh,
맞아요. You're correct. 맞아요.
Clear waters. Ayan. So, sinabi ko kaya malinis yung tubig. Kaya, malinis yung tubig dito sa Gangnong. Kaya yung soju, dito pinuproduce. Tingnan nyo. Ganda. Every stop is just picturesque.
하이 제가 맨날 읽는데
Sol. Sol.
너무 스몰인데 저자기는 빅 사이즈로?
Big size.
네.
Big size.
Time for you.
감사합니다. Big size.
빅 사이즈.
Size, okay?
당겨요.
So
자,
can you
하나,
pull down?
Pull?
Pull.
당기는 거예요.
Yeah, pull.
Okay.
하나, 둘, 셋.
One, two,
오,
three,
떨어졌어요. 여기는? 오, 누가 이겼어요?
거기서
What
어떤
happened?
떨어졌어요.
누가 붙어있는 사람이 위너예요?
네.
So what's the gist?
She's the winner. She's the winner.
Oh.
You're the winner.
You have to sing. You have to sing. 같이 이렇게 이렇게 해서 하나, 둘, 둘이.
You can have a game.
네네.
Who is the strongest?
The strongest. Ooh, game. So they use this for a game. Kung sino yung
여기
maghihiwalay.
파인 트리에 잎인데.
talo. Tama bang Tagalog?
This is a pine tree.
Pine tree.
Pine tree. Actually, when they get wet, it becomes small. You understand the Korean, right?
Alright.
Small. She put it inside of the plastic bag. When it gets dry, then fully open. Wow.
Oh.
So it's a magic. You can put it inside of the
Magic. Okay.
the
So lumiliit yan pag nababasa, tapos lumalaki kapag dry na.
네.
씨앗이 들어있어요.
So inside there is a seed.
Okay guys, nagulog tayo ng pine tree seed. Tapos magiging pine tree siya in the future. Science starts from nature. Apparently, yung helicopter guys, galing siya sa idea ng pine seed. Na ganito yung movement niya kapag nahuhulog or lumilipad. Dito lang natin yan nalaman sa Korea. Pine tree.
So you know why they have a more lines?
It's older if it's
No, no.
잎이 엄청 가늘잖아.
Because the leaves quite it's like a spike, very thin layered. So cannot have enough food from the sun to grow. Now you understand, right?
So the powder, kung 'di ba alam niyo yung powder kapag nag-ano tayo, wall climbing,
사람들은 이렇게
galing yun sa pine tree.
근데 이 소나무는 이렇게
야.
갈라진다던가 바람에 가지가 부러지면 자기
납
스스로를 치유해야 되니까 여기서 송진이 나오는 거예요.
So pine tree,
Smells like
when they got heard from
ang sayang maglakad, relaxing habang natututo tayo. Para tayong nasa science class. Pero this one, it's immersive science class kasi kita mismo natin kung ano man yung ini-explain ni Kim Min-che Son Seung-nim, our teacher. Look. Ganda. I really appreciate trips like this that I get to learn. May hiking si Mayor.
용소포인데 왜 용소라 하면은 옛날에 용이 하늘로 승천했던 소가
Bemjui guys, watch out. There are snakes. Smells like leaf. They are letting us smell this, but it smells like leaf.
So when you cook fish, morning,
But it's for cooking.
it's a more good
cooking.
For cooking.
먹을 때
Sancho.
산초
Sancho for cooking, this leaf.
cleansing the mouth.
After walking a lot, now we have tea.
Yeah, it's like a nobleman.
Ah,
Nobleman always.
nobleman.
Very special opportunity to set up the
Yes.
tea table underneath
Wow.
the mountain by the stream.
Stream, not river. Tea ceremony by the stream. So this is the nobleman, upper class experience. Yung Gangnung guys, they're very much famous even before, even in the old time, as a tea ceremony site. Kasi nga, ang ganda ng tubig dito, very clean. So yung mga nobleman, yung mga mayayaman, nobility, they come here for tea ceremonies. So we just experienced this one.
Okay, look at this.
So
The
a
stone.
tea ceremony afternoon by the stream. So ito daw yung experience talaga ng mga noble, ng nobility, upper class people. We leave our shoes and experience it here.
Oh, ready? Oh, your cameras are ready?
Ready?
Okay. Yeah, so you fold the hat. Okay? 예뻐요.
So may process talaga ng pagpo-fold.
차를 시작하겠습니다.
So we're gonna drink tea now with 2 hands, and then look, and then smell, and then that's the process. 2 hands, smell, and then that's mashisoyo, the taste of Korea, the taste of history. Dapat we remain dignified. The hand should be here. It's very interesting, this one. We have to make ourselves dignified. So this is a very formal ceremony. And tayo kung baga yung guests. So, tayo yung owner. And we provide great hospitality sa ating guest. At nilalagay sila sa pedestal. So, nilower natin yung sarili natin kapag we have guests and we offer them tea. So, yung glass natin, laging nandito sa baba. And yung mga nauuna, these two are for the guests. Alright? So, our hands din, dapat lagi daw nakaganito. Okay? For us to remain dignified. Wow. Grabe, I'm learning a lot in this trip. So, eto guys, yung tea. At meron tayong snack dito. Look.
It's okay? Yeah, it's right there. The other shoes.
Yep po. Beautiful.
Just borrow. This one.
After the ceremony, everyone's taking photos and videos. So this experience, guys, is free for all. Kung bibisita kayo sa Gangnung, pwede niyong ma-experience yung tea ceremony, itong pagpasok dito sa Arboretum, para daman nyo yung, yung history, yung culture talaga ng Korea. And this snack is made by our Kim Min-che Sonsengnim. Kamsamnida. Yes, this one. Laglag. I can still eat this one. Sonsengnim. Bye-bye. Oh, that was calming. That was a peaceful and immersive experience. Lakas maka-K-drama nung experience. Wait lang. Oh. Yung. There.
Oh my god. Are you?
Wow. Wow, the greenhouse. Tropical plants. Very expensive tree.
As time goes by, they have
Greenhouse.
oh, this is tropical. The greenhouse.
Marimar. It was a peaceful afternoon here in the Arboretum. Very nice. Next spot. Songsu Museum. Look at the trees. Starting to get red. Since 1991, Songsu Art Museum. Wow, guys. Badada. Bada. Wow. Surreal. This is our last activity, guys. Last activity in Gangnung. We still have tomorrow. This is... sulitin natin to. In front of the beach. Very Chweo ng our beloved summer. Pero painter ba si Chweo? Parang hindi, no? Si Chweo Wushi. Let's go. Alright, finished product. Wow. We will grind this up na. Relaxing naman. Hindi talaga ako artist, guys. But we have to do this today. Let's try this up. Ayan, guys. Sorry, hindi na tayo napag-vlog kanina kasi naubos na yung memory card ko. Yung storage ng memory naubos na. Kaya very limited na lang. Tapos din, we had to focus sa pagpipaint. Di dapat tayo ma-distract. Charing. Kasi feeling ko yun yung time na breather talaga siya from anything. Okay, pati pagsasalita. So, I think okay lang din. It's the sign for me to pause and itabi yung camera ko. So, ngayon na lang ulit tayo, okay, nagvi-video. And share ko lang, it was a nice experience. Di talaga tayo artsy na person. Like, I don't paint, pero may naman siya, may guide. And nagustuhan nyo ba? Nagustuhan nyo ba yung finished output? Yung output natin, finished product? Ako, okay lang, minimalist, ganyan. Kasi di talaga tayo marunong maghalo-halo ng kulay. Kailangan yung gumamit ng brain cells kasi meron tayong mix-mix ng colors. Pero ang dami pala talagang pwedeng gawin dito sa Gangnung, guys. 'Di ba? Kung napanood niyo ba kung vlogs and yung 'di ba yung mga iba nating ginawa sa Gangnung, parang ang dami. For 2 days, 1.5 day, parang ang dami nating ginawa, 'di ba? Dami yung pwedeng gawing activity dito. So it's just 1 hour and almost 2 hours na away from Seoul to Gangnung. And you can enjoy a whole day or 2 days here. Mag-overnight kayo sa hotel namin, Sky Bay Hotel, na filming location din ng business proposal. So ayun, videoan ko na lang yung pagkain namin ngayon. It's samgyeopsal, malaking meat. Alright, let's eat. Mashisoyo daw, masarap.
Like very
Yeah.
like when they have baby, then there's a show where I learn Korean as well. There's a show is like
Oh, celebrities. Look, they were here. Oh. So very famous restaurant. Let's go. We've arrived in our hotel. Sa loob ng hotel ay may see you guys.
You want to go with Mark? Oh, it's right there. Okay, so
Yeah, it's near. It's near. We can just walk with them. Are you guys?
if you wanna go there, let's go.
We can E-Mart. Let's go. Ay, sorry. It's a competitor. I'm saying E-Mart. I'm so sorry. Let's go. Let's go. Our last night in Gangneung. So, magkakasama kami ngayon. Nag-explore. Feeling ko mamimiss namin ang isa't isa. Kaya ganito. Magkakasama. Oh! The moon. Luna. Ayo! You're there, Ayu! It's a different brand, right? Ayu! Aya, both soju drinkers. Saya maglakad-lakad around the hotel. Celine, I know who you look like. I
wish.
We're in Korea at a convenience store. Of course, we should buy banana uyu or banana milk. Uyu is milk. Kamsamnida, Ayu.
Shampoo enough?
You don't have enough shampoo.
Yeah.
So it's buy one take one. That's why I'm having it. Kamsamnida.
My mother will love.
My mother will love it. I actually brought some from the hotel.
Shampoo?
No, not shampoo. The sleepers.
Oh my god.
My mother will love it. Kamsamnida. Come on. Oh. Ah, sure. Group picture? Here. Hey guys, group picture with Ayu.
Can you move on?
Alright. This looks like a scene from a K-drama. What is Hajimalagu? Don't go? Hajimalagu. What is that?
I told you not to do that.
Ah, Hajimalagu. Oh. Ang sarap ng banana uyu, guys. Ang mahal daw, 70 plus. Ayun, guys. Our day in Gangneung. This is our last day and we did so many things. Hindi ko actually in-expect na ganito karami yung pwedeng gawin sa Gangneung. And yeah, ano lang siya, almost 2 hours away from Seoul. So pwede kayong pumunta dito kung gusto yung maghanap ng lugar or city na gusto yung i-explore outside Seoul. 'Di ba? Gangneung. So it's a really nice place, coastal area, maliwalas, fresh air, the culture, the natural landscapes, yung nature, the museums, 'di ba? Dami nating pwedeng magawa dito. So guys, this is Dave, the Kuripot Traveler. Let's live. Wait lang. Last night na namin ngayon, so nakakasenti. So it's been a really long trip. Tapos sunod-sunod siya. Nakakapagod, but I think it's fulfilling. And we get to meet these people. Yes. Which is nice. Alright. So this is Dave, guys, the Kuripot Traveler. Let's live our best lives. Bye-bye. Yes. Ni. Okay, photo booth in the hotel. Meron dito. So when you're with your friends. And same, nag-vlog din ako guys. So naka-live tayo ngayon. Meron tayong 16,000 viewers. So it's our last night in Gangnong. So mag-photo booth tayo for the memories. Let's go. Hello! I'll just include this in my vlog. It's cold. Chuo! Oh my goodness! Beyond Wusok!
Me encantan los comerciales de Corea.
Saranghe. Ah! Chaon mo! Oh my goodness, Beyond Wusok, chaon mo! Oh my gosh, sunod-sunod!
We love the commercials.
We love Korean TV. Oppa! Nawala mo saranghe! My Mexican amiga. Was about to sleep when you chatted. Take a bath and sleep.
When you chatted?
When you messaged. I was about to take a bath and sleep. But okay, I realized, okay, I'll just upload stuff tonight.
When you chatted?
When you chatted, when you messaged me on IG, I was about to sleep because I'm so tired. But okay, I'll just upload and go with you, watch film. What
is that sound?
The toilet! Diana from Mexico.